the four of us idiots have came together to make a bomb. This is the bike right here. We're gonna blow it up. All right. So how we getting this up the stairs?
Well, the clutch is gone, so we have to carry it up.
Oh crap!
It's all good. It's all good.
Look at us Undercroft kids representing.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we can... Wait, can we roll it?
I don't think so.
Yeah, the clutch is shot. So there's no neutral, so it's constantly in
You
gear.
might be able to roll it on a front wheel, but that's it.
All right, see what we're working with here. Oh, clutch is shot. Pretty sure the fuel line's shot. It's just a bomb waiting to happen.
It will kill everyone in 10 feet.
He's like, hey boss, I think it's broken because whenever I pull the pinch, oh, oops.
Where put this flag at? Like, what if we just here zip tied on there? Yeah, wait. We should just zip tie the flag. Yeah, yeah. Should we just zip tie the flag straight to the handlebars?
Just like a rounding.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like...
Hold on, like.
It seems unnecessary.
Oh, wait, we probably should take the clutch off first before we. Yeah. So we'll take the clutch off.
We'll decorate it later.
Yeah, we could even got a bunch of air fresheners. We could clear the smell of burning oil.
Hey, if we ever run out of oil, we can always use some tree bark.
Fire.
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be a bomb just waiting to happen. Oh jeez. Let's put it right there on the lever for the. Oh, sick!
Definitely gonna catch on. Yeah.
No. We could
Isn't the smell in it flammable?
Oh yeah. Dang! Look at that!
Dang.
Alright, let's get that clutch off. Got like swoop. This one? No.
Small.
Won't hit that. That's the only comfortable thing on the entire bike. It's the one thing that's nice.
I think I stripped loose.
Yeah, just come here. I think it might just be barely too small.
What are you trying to just take that off?
Whoa. Yeah.
I feel like we can do it with bare hands.
Yeah. How did it go on? Because it might be.
It's good. It's good. Look at that. What do you do with the duct tape? Where's the duct tape at? Nasty animal. Alright. So now we're just gonna duct tape the throttle back together.
You mean just attach this piece of plastic to this piece of plastic?
Yeah, that piece of plastic. The whole thing's a giant piece of plastic.
Let's try Elmer's clip.
Elmer's
Thanks.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, Elmer's cool.
Um.
If I hurt my thumb.
Strap that around there, like that. And
Someone's gonna need to hold it steady.
all of you.
It's not gonna be bad with my foot. There we go.
Yeah, there's a piece straight up missing though.
That's why we were filling it up with duct tape, though.
Yeah.
This has turned into a bomb tutorial.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna add on to the anarchist cookbook here, and we're gonna tell you how to make a bike bomb. So that was like this old lady, but she had like the back wheels higher than the front wheels, like chopper style.
Sick. Clutch isn't going on. Clutch isn't going on.
Probably the only like
We gotta lube it up.
type of flame she has
God.
left in her life. You know?
All right.
Do we need fire?
We need the hammer.
Look at
We-
the 2-inch.
Here, where's the hammer?
On my front back.
Uh-oh. Hold it steady. All right.
I don't think that's the angle the clutch should be at.
Here. Nice! There's the cable. Show you just got a lot. Oh, that's screwed up, isn't it?
That back. Oh. There.
Hey, look at that!
It's pretty much working now.
Oh, wait. We need a way to tighten it. Okay. We got the majority of it fixed. The bike's on fire. Bike's on fire.
Oh!
Right now we're getting the clutch all hooked up and good to go.
There we go. Should be good.
I think we're good. Alright. So now you gotta give that wire. We're there. Oh no, this part is
Oh.
So you just like pull it through.
Alright.
gotta push more of the wire through. So we gotta push the wire through. Okay. This is why this build's taking so long. Alright. So we got the clutch hooked back up. Well, the new lever on from the old bike. It's actuating the clutch there. How's the gas?
Oh, jeez.
I don't like dry fumes.
Yeah, I got something pretty bad there.
It's enough. It's enough fuel.
Hold on.
We can go to Quick Trip and just like put some straight in it. We don't even need oil. Like honestly, we don't.
Why not?
We could just fill that up like halfway in case it does catch on fire. It's not like a full blown explosion.
It already has some oil in there.
Yeah.
The ratio is just not going to be right, but
I mean, we don't expect this bike to last more than 10 minutes anyway. Do we really want to add more fuel to that bomb? Okay,
how
let's
much
just
fuel is in there?
enough to get the job done.
It's like.
We can always siphon it off of other cars. No, we can siphon it off of Tanger's car if we want.
We could what?
It looks super.
Yeah, I get it. I get the good gas in that thing, and that Monster. Oh man, look at that!
Is this a
Look
throttle?
at that monster
It doesn't
back there.
turn.
What?
You gotta give it a lot more force.
It's broken. Remember?
You're like, oh
But,
yeah.
like we
It's
duct
like
taped it back together, but it'll still work. It's just not like it should.
Maybe you need. It gets stuck like
Why is
right
there-
here.
Just gotta force it.
Is there a duct
Tape on the mirror.
Oh wait, we didn't put on the other mirror.
Oh man, yeah.
Gotta have
Let's
that
get
tilt.
the mirror on. All right, guys, time to start making this thing look super
Well-
JDM.